Let's learn about the payments tab in the AI empires. Let's get started. And what we're going to do is come to the left side per usual, and we're going to click on that payments tab. What's important about having payments inside of your new SaaS platform? Well, you don't want to go 16 different places for software for business. You want to live in one place. Now, the AI empires can hook up to your QuickBooks. It does Stripe, it does PayPal. So if you're using any of the main payment providers, you're probably going to be all right. And it is a great feature to hook up to QuickBooks. A lot of businesses use that, and it's just going to integrate seamlessly. What's cool about it is you can come up and create new invoices for customers. You can use templates. You can create estimates like we did for Ironforge commercial repair on the snowplows, right? You can come in and create some contracts. So if you're doing monthly services or if you have to lay out a contract with a customer, you can keep them there. You can track your orders, abandon checkouts. You can manage subscriptions. So if you create your own membership site, you can see it in there. You can send payment links to your customers. They can pay through text, email, whatever they need. Payment links just make it easy. You can go over your transactions, add new products, so like your community or your membership site, whatever you think there. You can organize it. You can have your coupons in there to provide a discount for your customers, settings, and then integrations. Now, there's a lot of cool stuff in here that I'm probably just going to do if individual clients have questions, but you need to see what's available in the payments tab. That way you can kind of know its features. The AI Empires is supposed to be your all-in-one business solution where you can use AI and automation to help build your business empire and give you more time, money, and freedom. Stick around for the next video and we'll get into more features.